6 high-protein recipes for losing weight. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Today, we're excited to share 6 high-protein recipes for weight loss. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with protein, making them ideal for anyone looking to shed some pounds and maintain a healthy diet. With these flavorful options, you won't have to compromise in taste while achieving your weight loss goals. Let's dive in and explore the flavors and benefits of these high-protein recipes. Number 1. Quick chickpea and tuna salad, 210 calories. Enjoy a refreshing quick chickpea and tuna salad with approximately 210 calories. Offering a protein-packed with satisfying meal, this salad combines fiber-rich chickpeas, protein-packed tuna, and a medley of veggies, creating a delicious and nutritious option for weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for quick chickpea and tuna salad. 1 can 15-ounce chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 can 5-ounce tuna, drained and flaked. 1/4 cup diced cucumber, 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making quick chickpea and tuna salad. Number 2. Turkey chili, 410 calories. Warm up with a hearty turkey chili with approximately 410 calories, providing a protein-rich and comforting option for weight loss. This chili is packed with lean ground turkey, beans, and flavorful spices, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal. Here are the specific ingredients for turkey chili. 1 pound lean ground turkey, 1 can kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 cup diced bell peppers, 1 cup diced onions, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth. Here is the process for making turkey chili. Number 3. Chicken with avocado, 340 calories. Delight in a chicken with avocado dish offering approximately 340 calories, providing a protein-rich and creamy option for weight loss. This recipe combines grilled chicken breast with creamy avocado, creating a flavorful and satisfying meal. Here are the specific ingredients for chicken with avocado. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 ripe avocado sliced, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Here is the process for making chicken with avocado. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Shrimp quinoa recipe, 310 calories. Savor the goodness of a shrimp quinoa recipe with approximately 310 calories, offering a protein-packed and light option for weight loss. This dish combines succulent shrimp, nutrient-rich quinoa, and flavorful herbs, creating a satisfying and nutritious meal. Here are the specific ingredients for shrimp quinoa recipes. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 pound large shrimp peeled and deveined, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cup chopped zucchini, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh lemon wedges for garnish. Here is the process for making shrimp quinoa recipe. Number 5. Vegetable salad with salmon. 290 calories. Indulge in a refreshing vegetable salad with salmon, offering approximately 290 calories, providing a protein-rich and nutrient-packed option for weight loss. This salad combines fresh veggies with flavorful salmon, creating a delicious and satisfying meal. Here are the specific ingredients for vegetable salad with salmon. 2 cups mixed salad greens, 2 ounce grilled or baked salmon fillet flaked, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/2 cup sliced cucumber, 1/4 cup sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinaigrette dressing, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh dill. Here is the process for making vegetable salad with salmon. Number 6. Vegetable stir-fry recipe. 210 calories. Enjoy a flavorful and low-calorie vegetable stir-fry recipe with approximately 210 calories, offering a protein-rich and nutritious option for weight loss. This stir-fry combines colorful vegetables with tofu, creating a delicious and filling meal. Here are the specific ingredients for vegetable stir-fry recipe. 1 block 14-ounce firm tofu cubed, 2 cups mixed stir-fry vegetables, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds for garnish, sliced green onions for garnish. Here is the process for making vegetable stir-fry recipe. And that concludes our list of 6 high-protein recipes for weight loss. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and delicious. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet with ample protein is essential for reaching your weight loss goals, all while staying nourished. If you have any other high-protein recipes you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll never miss a healthy bite. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Healthy Bites. Bye!